In this video, we will discuss the Unified Namespace applications in real-time data management. Think of the Unified Namespace as a central nervous system for all your operations, which means that instead of multiple isolated data streams, every piece of information from the machine on the shop floor to business applications in IT are flowed, or rather they flow through one unified environment, which means that you eliminate the data gaps and delays that are common in the traditional ISA 95 hierarchy model, which is a tiered approach whereby information moves from one application to the other until it gets to its destination. Instead, with the unified namespace, you've got a unified view of all your real-time events across your entire enterprise. In unified namespace, real-time data is not only visible, but it is actionable. And this means that an alert that is triggered due to a high vibration on a piece of equipment can automatically be sent to the maintenance team in real time so that they can attend to the problem. This allows improved operational efficiency across all your business units in your manufacturing operation. But it doesn't end there. The unified namespace allows AI and ML algorithms to be able to produce insights and publish them back into the unified namespace where they are visible across the entire operation, which enables operators, plant managers, or any stakeholders who are interested in the insights that are generated from these advanced analytic systems to be able to respond to their predictions in real time. And this is not only just for your plant operators, also your C-level executives are able to get in real time all the insights that they care about from the unified namespace. This foundation for sharing real-time information and insights from your line operators to your C-level executives allows for innovation and collaboration across your entire enterprise in real time. Ultimately, the unified namespace applications in real-time data management allows for a smarter and agile operations, such as the prevention of costly downtime and the optimization of production scheduling. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.